In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect a Squarespace domain to GoDaddy. Connecting your domain can streamline your online presence, whether you're looking to consolidate your web assets or simply prefer GoDaddy's domain management tools. Let's dive into the process step by step, making it as smooth and straightforward as possible. First, you need to navigate to GoDaddy's website. If you haven't already, log into your GoDaddy account. Once you're in, look for the option that says Transfer a Domain. This feature allows you to bring your domain over from Squarespace to GoDaddy, providing you with the ability to utilize GoDaddy's extensive domain management features. Next, enter your Squarespace domain into the search or input field provided. This is essentially telling GoDaddy which domain you're planning to transfer. Make sure to type the domain name accurately to avoid any mix-ups. It's always a good idea to double-check the domain name you've entered, as a simple typo could lead to unnecessary confusion or delays. Once you've entered your Squarespace domain, initiate the transfer. GoDaddy will guide you through this process, providing instructions and prompts to ensure everything is set up correctly. You may need to unlock your domain on Squarespace and obtain an authorization code, also known as an EPP code, which is essential for the transfer process. The authorization code acts like a password, confirming that you have permission to transfer the domain. During the transfer process, GoDaddy will verify the domain and the associated details. This is a security measure to ensure that the domain is being transferred by the rightful owner. Depending on various factors, the transfer can take a few minutes or up to a week. Be patient and keep an eye on your email for any notifications or updates from GoDaddy regarding the status of your transfer. If you encounter any issues, GoDaddy's customer support is available to assist you. They can provide guidance and help troubleshoot any problems that may arise during the transfer process. Having access to support can be incredibly helpful, especially if you're new to transferring domains or if any unexpected hurdles come up. Once the transfer is complete, you'll receive a confirmation email. This email will let you know that your domain is now managed by GoDaddy. It's a good idea to log back into your GoDaddy account and verify that your domain appears in your list of managed domains. From there, you can take advantage of GoDaddy's various domain management tools, whether you're setting up DNS records, configuring domain privacy settings, or exploring additional services. And there you have it. You've successfully connected your Squarespace domain to GoDaddy. Remember, transferring your domain is a strategic move to leverage GoDaddy's platform, so take some time to explore the tools and features available to make the most of your domain management experience. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more guides like this one. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Good luck with your domain transfer and happy managing.